And on today's stream we're going to end our game of Don't Touch the Spikes, where we where we finished with the quite working game, but with many bugs, because if you haven't seen the the last stream already, we took the 1 hour challenge. Actually, it was 1.5 hour challenge because I wasn't able to make anything in 1 hour. But yeah, we were taking the 1 hour challenge where I wanted to make a game in just one hour. And I made something. So you can go to my channel and see the previous stream. And on today's stream we're going to finish this game. I don't know how long it will take me to do that. Actually, I hope it won't take me long, but I prepared a long list to make. As you can see, there are some points I would like to create, I would like to do before I will take this game as finished. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is okay, so we want to make our game restart after clicking the screen. So first I would like to make it restart after the clicking event, but later it will be nice to make the same thing as it is in the original game, so after clicking the restart button. But as we don't have any many, I would like to try to just make it restart there. Alright, so now I think the only thing we need to do to make it restart is in our click in our click event. So in the listener, where is this listener? Oh, and I forgot again to wrap the lines, but yeah, we need to find this event first. Here it is, and as you can see on the click event, we're just subtracting, we're just setting, actually resetting the variable of y coordinate of this character back to -10, but the second thing we need to do is to restart the game. No, maybe it's not on click. Yeah, it's on click, but only if our game over flag is set. Then we want to restart. What's that? Restart. And we don't have the restart function, so we are going to create it now. There, down the class, the player, not the spike class, we will make the function Okay, I need some warm up. I'm sorry. So the restart function will probably restart our game. So it needs to do again the same thing, but actually we've done it, but I would like this restart function to be reused later. So you're doing this, and the other thing is that we need to set the game over flag back to false. Okay, and the other values too. So these spikes need to be randomized again. Yes, and the x subtractor needs to be free again, because we set up only the y subtractor. Okay, let's die. Yeah, and it works again. Okay, and what is wrong with this game, in my opinion, too, is that this square is jumping too high and moves too slowly. So, second thing on our list is that we should count the points. So let's count them. Basically, every single time we bounce the wall, we should count. We should add the 1 point to the counter. So the next variable is points, and it's 0 on the beginning, and the points should be incremented. It should be incremented every time we go here. And the spike no, only if this function is true. Yeah, because it fires up after we bounce the wall. So we should console this and see. Yeah, we're getting points, as you can see. 3. Alright, let's die. Okay, and the other thing I see is that these spikes need to be more precise. There should be other points counted on the edges, which will be the intersection points. if we intersect them, then we die. They are the same as on the front, but it make our spy more precise. Yeah. So when we are going to do that, I think when we will finish with the movement, because it's not that important here. Okay, we are counting the points. Okay, or maybe we are going to make it here, because right now the other bug I came across is this one where these spikes spawn off the screen sometimes, or they are spawning on each other. And why they are spawning on each other? It's quite simple. They are spawning because we don't actually... Okay, I don't know why they are spawning like this, but if they are spawning just covering each other, that means we don't check if the number we generated is it wasn't already generated before. Okay. So first I would like to get rid of this bug. Get random arbitrary. So I think the easiest one okay, I know. Or no, I don't know. How to do it the correct way, I mean. Okay, I think we should count how many spikes we can generate on the each border, and we should count it every single time, because if we want to make the game responsive later to the different screen sizes, then we need to count it every time here when we bounce the wall. So how many spikes is equal, and we're going to get the canvas height, then divided it by the A, so the base of the triangle. In our program it's 30. Plus 5, because we are setting a 5 pixel margin after each triangle. And we need to floor it to the lower value. How many spikes? Okay, and this should tell us how many spikes there can actually be in the in the on the border. And now I think I'm going to make an array number array with some numbers actually only. And we're looping through this from the 0 to the number of spikes. It actually needs to be max number of spikes. Yeah, this is more accurate name. And we should push to the array the I. Okay, and we should generate we should generate 3 times the random number from 0 to numbers array length. So we are getting a random number. Actually, I would like to save this random number because later let random spike is equal to this, and here we're getting the random spike. Okay, and we need to delete from the numbers array this random spike. So we calculated I think we need to refresh it. Okay, I think it works or not. Maybe. It maybe works, I would say. Because we need to fix the overlapping spikes. That's the next problem. So we've got the offset. Times which one? Yeah, that's true. Times which one? Plus age. Have plus which one? I think it's correct. Actually, it could be written more in another way, but it works. And why it doesn't work here? Why they're overlapping each other? Y plus A? Maybe, but it shouldn't matter. I need to think for a bit. Wait a second. This offset is weird. Actually, I know why. It works like this, but why these two are so close to each other? Let's, I don't know, maybe console log them and we will see what's going on. Maybe. Hopefully. Oh, we need to bounce once or twice. Okay, and here we've got, oh my god, here we've got the spikes that are overlapping each other. So the first is 0.93. Shouldn't it work? Actually not, because Next thing is which one, and offset, because these values are so we've got the offset. But the which one is a wrong value. There should be 4 plus which one. 4 values plus which one. There are four values. Yeah, plus spike left. Okay. Is the get random arbitrary a random int or a random float? Because it looks like it's a random float. Oh. Okay, I see. It's a random float. So we're gonna floor it and see what happens. Will it overlap again? Okay. They're overlapping, but not that much. Okay, I need to see it. What's going on? They're overlapping each other. I see it. There are two spikes. I hope. I hope it's a problem. If it is, that means we are not deleting the value we counted. Okay, let's console log which one and right, and here left. And if some of these values will cover, no, they're not. 3. Okay, as you can see, they're not. Or they are. Oh my god, there are 2 5s, I think. 4, 5, 7. Oh my gosh. I'm jumping into the spikes. 15. Okay, I see. Some of the spikes are the same. I mean, have the same which one, and they shouldn't. They should be the same. So what we are doing wrong? Let's see. I think there should be -1, but I don't know. Anyways, get a random arbitrary. We're getting a random spike. Then we delete the random spike from the array. Okay, we never check. No. Wait. Random spike. No, we should. We should add there 1, I think, to the index. Yeah, because we're getting from 0 or not from 0. So let's say we got 3. Now we're deleting 3. So it should work. A random spike. Let's see. Oh my god, I need this to go. And now oh my god, we're getting undefined. Oh my god, I thought. Yeah. They're not shifting. Okay, I didn't know delete works like this. Get. Let's see. How to remove it? Oh yeah, with splice. I know. Splice index 1. So splice this and 1. And this thing should work. Hopefully. No, it doesn't. They still spawn on each other, I think. I need to find... Let's see what the numbers array has inside. Okay, let's see. Are some indexes gone? Yes, they are. But it would be nice to see which indexes are gone. There should be the 9th index gone. And it is there one, yeah. Okay, I know. Oh my gosh. I know what's wrong. And how to solve it. Because when there's nobody on the chat, I won't explain now. How to fix it. Should get the index of the thing we want to, because it's not, the number doesn't correspond to the index always. Sometimes it's different. So okay, so numbers array and index of random spike. Now it's better, maybe. It still sucks, I think. They are still spawning on each other. I shouldn't delete it. I shouldn't delete the console logs because they're useful. Why there are 13 indexes and 16 values? Probably it's not the last. Something is wrong. Okay, there are 14. There are always 14 indexes, and it should be like, let's say 14, 13, and 12. So it should decrease, and it doesn't. I think this one gives -1, maybe. No, splice doesn't work. Oh my god, I'm still working on it. It's probably easy. Numbers array. The random spike 1. No, it's 16, 15, 14. So it is decreasing. It is decreasing. So that's not my fault. Why it's... It shouldn't be 14. I think... I'm not sure. Let's say... I don't know if it's gonna work. So we're recreating this array. And then yeah, it works. All right, so we needed to copy this array. I hate JavaScript for that, and I think most of the users of this language hate this language for its stupid references. I need to check if they are overlapping each other. Yes, they are a bit. So I think it's just some kind of an offset, maybe. They need some offset, obviously, from each other. Maybe the offset times times 2 times 2. Okay, I see they are spawning just in place. But I will need to make them spawn not out of the screen. So we need to count it plus 5 times 2. Okay, let's see it full screen if something is wrong, maybe in 15 jumps, let's say. Okay, it spawns correctly. Okay, I know. It won't work like this. Maybe like this. No, now they are just... It was okay, maybe okay. Offset times which one? Times 2. I think it was okay. Look that on the right, on the left side, they're spawning good, but they're spawning well, but on the right side, they're not. Probably this is the problem. Okay, so let's see if everything is working now. For me, no. It's still overlap. They're still overlapping each other. Why? Why? All right. I think I'm going to fix it off camera. At least this thing right here. Let's spawn, I don't know, 8 of them or 5 of them. very difficult with this square. As you can see, one is bold. Oh my gosh, I can't touch this stupid wall. Because this rectangle is jumping too high. Oh my gosh, really? So we eliminated at least one problem. They're not spawning on each other. But they are still getting out of the screen. Okay. Not spikes left. Yeah, but it's pretty interesting. Okay, I see there are some duplicates. Here we're getting rid of 5. And here taking them. Wow, why? Random spike. Okay, maybe it should be like this. Let's see. Okay. It is working well. Wow. It looks cool, I must say. Just like don't touch the spikes. I love it. So what's the next point? We've made this one, at least. Okay, number of the spawning spikes should depend on the level's number. So we're... so this number should be dependent. And it's not that difficult. We just need to get the number of points. And divided module, no, times, or wait, we're going to divided modulo. We need the number of spikes, and we're gonna spawn them each 10 points. So we need to get the points, divide them by 10, and floor. Floor plus 1, because we want something to spawn course. Okay. So maybe let's go with let number of spikes let mean spikes is equal to now 3 max spikes let it be max number of spikes minus, let's say, 4, and if this is smaller than mean spikes, it needs to be equal to the mean spikes. And if it's more than the max spikes, it needs to be max spikes. And maybe let it be every 7. Every 7 bumps. Why it's 5? Well, y plus 5 plus 1. No, it shouldn't be 5. We just start with 3, yeah? We should make it move faster a bit. But alright, let's say it works. Because why it shouldn't? I don't know. We may find out later. Okay. Movement of the character is too heavy and should speed up each 10 points. Yeah, that's it. So we're going to do something with our bird. Now the square. Let it be +1. Let it be bounce. And this thing should be the bounce value. We need the bounce value. It was -10, so let's search for it. Here, when we restart it, somewhere else. Okay. Let's close it. Oh my god, it's heavier. Okay, so oh my god, so we change it to +1. No, we need to change it to like 0.3 maybe. So it will be even lighter. But we need it to be faster a bit. That's what I meant. So x is 6. Now it doesn't fall down almost. Okay, we need to make it fall down. Yeah. So maybe 0.5 was okay. Maybe 8. Okay, when it's restarted, it changes to the bounce value. Where is the restart thing? Here. So because I'm decreasing this value of the y subtractor until it gets 8. Yeah, maybe it's not a good option. Because it's not that obvious. Yeah, no, it's that it works better in my opinion. It's more difficult in my opinion than don't touch the spikes itself. Let's see if the number of spikes are going to increase. Then, yeah, they are. it's maybe okay, it works great in my opinion. And we should make these hitboxes more accurate too. So I think it's quite easy to do. We just need to add 2 more points here. And because I had it on the Facebook, I need to log in first. Wait a second. Or I think, yeah, I just saved it on my computer. So if you remember this, that means you're awesome and you watch my channel. But if not, here we've got 2 more points to set as the intersection one, but as I was in a hurry, I haven't implemented them. So we just need to do it right now. So the first, I will take it to the right screen. And I will add 2 more points. X, E. Oh, and point D, I forgot. Okay. So xd is equal to, if it's if the triangle is directed to the right, it's just x plus h over 2 without offset, and this yd is y plus a over 4 plus the offset. And this x e is equal to x plus h over 2 also, and this ye is equal to the y plus 0.75 times a. The same here. But on the h, h-axis, we need minuses here. Oh, and I forgot to add the offset. Here and here. So yeah, this is cool. And here we need to add 2 more points. XD, YD, X and YE. And we need to check it. Yeah, we're sticking to this point right here. All right. So we've got it. The next thing is oh, I forgot about speeding up after 10 points. So basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set a speed booster which is equal to 0 initially. And before I forget, when we restart the game, wanted to set it back to 0. And we are going to, but first, yeah, I think the speed value is too big. I mean the initial speed. It should be, yeah, I think like this. Yeah, and actually I don't think we need it. No, we're just going to increase the speed every 10 points. Well, I don't know why it didn't want to find What's wrong with this? Doesn't want to find anything. Maybe I made some mistake. Okay. So it's quite easy to do. It's really easy. We need to find the place where we count the points. Here, points plus plus. Now, if points modulo 10 are equal to 0. So if they are, we add to X abstractor 0.2. Now our game is getting more dynamic. What? Game over? Why game over? What happened? Why it showed us game over? I won again. Why we're doing something in a loop? So this is the one when we are off the screen. There is some bug. will fix it later. But it appears when we want to. Okay, I don't get it. Why it says came over? Okay, I see. I click something. Oh my god. Game. Well, I made somewhere a mistake, but it's weird to the point I can't even like it cannot get to my mind where it is. Basically, it can be everywhere because yeah, we've got two alerts. All right, I know how to find it. Let's get rid of this and see if it appears. Game over. So the problem is with this thing right here. Where this thing but intersecting function just checks the player objects variables. I don't know. I will find it later. Let's move to the next point. And that's the last, I think, for today, because I'm sleepy, as you can see. And I think tomorrow I will finish this game at all. Alright. Spikes should display on the top and bottom. Actually, this point is not that necessary. This game only looks good then. Wait, I need to find this line because I would like to fix this problem and do the latest problems tomorrow, maybe. Because it displays only when we want to like increase the number of spikes. So when we want to like create one more spike, the game thinks it's intersected in some way. Because it needs to be connected at some point. Maybe not -0 because it looks weird. And there's 0. Okay. I think it looks good. I don't know. Alright, let's finish this stream in this point. I will think about this bug of the camera. I'll try to fix it, and we will meet each other tomorrow or just soon, and we will create all the next points and finish this game. And then I will make the shorts of this creating series. And yeah, and we will start the more advanced game, or just do another one like this. I just need to find something in the Google Play store, because there I can find some easy games to make that are good for challenges. So yeah, I think I will I'll end this stream right now. So see you soon. Bye bye.